Okay, just going to show you a demonstration of how to upcycle 2 liter bottles to create grow cups. You can use either the standard Coke bottle or this is just a generic bottle. Now you can basically cut this into 3 pieces and then use each section individually or together. First place to cut you can cut is the base of the bottle. So all this hard area here, this can all be removed. And there's a join line at the bottom there, you can see, just cut along that. Then the next thing to do is to create the cup. For the cup, we're going to use the top section of the bottle, and make sure if you're going to use it with a seedling snail that it is deep enough to hold the seedling snail before the taper. So you can just put the plastic next to it like that, or you can take a tape measure and measure 100 mils or 10 centimeters from the curve. So it puts it just above that line over there. Just pinch the bottle, make a nick with your scissors, and cut a nice straight line. Like that. Now you've got 3 parts of the cup. This is the actual cup that you'll have the grow medium or the seedling snail in, and this is the stand. You can put it in there and it supports the cup and keeps it nice and upright, and then you can use the base as a lid for this when you're using seeds. It helps with the germination process, keeps moisture in, stops evaporation, etc. You can just put it on like that. Okay. The other nice thing about this setup is it fits nicely into the HydroGo Pro, so you can have a reservoir with holding all your water and access to your seedlings along the way like that. And in a HydroGo Pro you should be able to fit about 15 of these in there, and with seeds anything between 14 to 20 seeds per seedling snail. So you could have up to 300 seeds in one HydroGo Pro unit. Yeah, you can see I've done the same with the generic 2-liter bottle. There's the base cut off to form the lid. There's the midsection which forms the stand, and here's the top that sits nicely into it like that. Same thing again, they can fit nicely into your HydroGo Pro to act as a stand, and then you've got a reservoir like that. One thing to make sure that you do is to add holes around the bottom of the cup section here. To do this you can either just pierce it with your scissors like that, or you can take a soldering iron or something similar and just melt holes into the bottom around there. Okay, make sure once you pierce it, give it a little twist, and it creates a bigger opening like that, and then you can do it all the way around the bottom. So that allows water to come in and out. You can also put a hole in the lid over there to do that, or you can remove the lid completely and put a small stone that fits over the bottom to hold the grow medium, but then still allows the water to wick in and out. Okay, you can see in this bottle, this cup, I've added a little stone in the bottom, blocks the hole so grow medium can't go through, and it allows water to come up through the opening. Okay, so if you're going to use the cups with a seedling snail, You'll notice that the sealing snail doesn't like to sit all the way down the bottom because of the curve of the cup. So what you need to do is you need to top up the bottom of this section with grow medium. And here you can use the lid of one of them or just a scoop. Take it, put it inside. You'll see that stone is holding the grow medium nicely in this one. Add the grow medium, level it out, and there. So that's about where you need to take the grow medium to. Okay, and then you can do the same in this cup over here. This one has got the perforations and the lid on the bottom. And there you go. That one's ready for us to make a seedling snail with now too.